Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to email your customers after they make a purchase from your online store on Shopify, or basically interact with our store or have any form of engagement with our product page and so on. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see here, here's what my dashboard looks like. And the idea here is you guys would want to get access to settings, as it actually contains a tab or the configuration for our notifications, or I should say emailing our customers every time they make a purchase from our store. So I'm going to click on settings like normal. And from here, you'd want to look for the notifications tab. So it's the one between brand and custom data. So it's this one right here. So I'm simply going to click on notifications just like that. And then here you'll see that there are a bunch of different options to choose from. So the one that we want to opt for is customer notifications. So if you read the description carefully, it says you can notify your customers about order and account events. So basically all the going ons that happen with their experience with Shopify or a store. So I'm going to click on this like normal. And then from here, you'd want to look for the tab that says email. Or I should say all these settings right here have to do with notifying our customer via email. So order processing means, say if they've placed an order on our store, they'll basically receive an order confirmation. So if you click on this arrow key here, you'll see that here's what it would look like normally. And the same for a draft order invoice. So all of these are randomly generated by Shopify. So I already have stuff for them. Templates, I should say, even local pickup. You'll see that there's what it looks like if it's in email form, an SMS, if they're to pick it up, gift cards, order exception, payments, point of sale, so on and so forth. So you basically just want to make sure that all of these settings are enabled. And if you guys want to manually customize each email template, you'd want to navigate to the top right corner of the window and click on Customize Email Templates, just like that. And here you get to change you can configure the text, the color, add a banner to it or an image. So there's that. And basically from here, simply save your changes and you guys are done. So once again, make sure that it's enabled, and you'll be sending your customers emails every time they interact with their store. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it helped you out, and if it did, be sure to let us know in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.